As a retailer, you are in the front line in sales of construction products to contractors and consumers. The footing tube has a variety of applications such as foundations for decks, additions, cottages, warehouses, pole barns, lampposts, and fencing. The footing tube is a complete system and incorporates many advantages over traditional footing methods. Our tubes combine the shaft and footing into one piece and are made from plastic so it won't fall apart when buried in wet soil. Due to the tapered plastic construction, the footing tube resists frost by design, so the contractor doesn't need to backfill with granular material or install drainage or slip joints. They can be backfilled when installed and inspected later, as the depth is marked on the sides of the tubes. Concrete can be poured when it's practical, with no risk of collapse or someone falling into an open hole. The volume of concrete is labeled on each tube, so ordering the correct amount of material is easy. Rebar can also be installed when pouring the concrete for additional strength. The footing tube is easier to level and more secure than multiple piece units. Plus, they're safer and easier to maneuver than heavy precast concrete units. The footing tube should be installed below the frost depth of your area and have 4 to 6 inches of tube above the finished grade, so that when the ground moves up with frost, its connection to the post or beam is above the frozen ground. The tubes are stackable for easy storage in your yard and can be kept out in the weather to free up warehouse space. The tubes are labeled with different colors to assist your yard staff in choosing the proper tube for customers. Blue for the 6-inch footing tube, white or orange for the 8-inch footing tube, green for the 10-12-inch footing tube, red for the FTB 30 base, and yellow for the extension tube. The sticker price may be a little higher, but the advantages to your customer are many. Once contractors and consumers start using the footing tube, the vast majority never go back to using old methods. It makes doing a good job easier and more efficient. Our website lists many of the retailers who stock the footing tube. Please contact us if your store is not there. You can also access the evaluation reports, CAD drawings, brochures, technical specifications, and much more. We're always available to answer your questions. Phone us toll-free, 1-888-929-2011, or email us at concrete@foottube.com.